the tragic crash that happened in Ahmedabad. The families of victims reached here from all over the world. A while back, a family of a victim, Rukhsar Jahan, whose husband has come from London and brother-in-law from Australia, just attempted to enter that room over there. That is where from where the DNA results are coming in that room. Doctors and officials are sitting there, and that is from where the names are being called out. Until now, only 14 or 15 bodies have been handed over, but the rest of the relatives, rest of the families are getting increasingly impatient. They have been here for 4 days now. They haven't eaten, they haven't had a drop of water. Some of them even did not have a drop of water, because the Hindu Gujarati ritual dictates that when somebody dies in your house, you cannot even have a drop of water before you complete the last rites. So there are husbands and there are fathers who haven't had even a drop of water, and they are waiting here in this extreme heat. The family of Rukhsar Jahan, along with 3 other families, kind of clashed into a former BJP MLA, Bharat Bhushan Bhatt, and a police official and some other health official who were passing from this area. And the police official actually spoke, really rudely to them, telling them to back off and telling them that there is no point waiting here. You will get a phone call whenever your DNA test results are ready. The families were quite angry and quite completely helpless and angry at the attitude of the Gujarat government and the civil hospital authorities so far. Their primary grievance and primary demand is why at all there is no proper information dissemination on their behalf of the hospital authorities, and why aren't they being informed exactly of the process that's being undertaken in the last 4 days. They have also so many questions, like this is the post-mortem building complex from where there is a constant smell coming out of the bodies that are still pouring in. The families are also worried about the condition of the bodies that would be handed over maybe 4 days or 5 days from now, since the only information that we have got that it takes 72 hours to finish a DNA testing process. One body, the relatives are asking, the families are asking questions. What if their loved one is the last one to be tested? What happens to the condition of the body until then? Will they have to wait here for another 4 days or 5 days? There is no answer to that. There is nobody who is answering those questions right now. And behind me there is a tent that is being put up by some voluntary organizations. All the relatives are waiting there with no answers whatsoever. This is Damayanti reporting from Civil Hospital, Ahmedabad.